Introducing the new Gobbler GB9988 Counting Mixed Denominations Machine, a powerful and efficient tool for counting mixed denominations of currency. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of this innovative device. The machine comes with several essential components and accessories to enhance its functionality and convenience. A cord, external customer display, cover, brush, extra spare rubber belts, and a fuse, and a user manual. This specialized machine calculates total value of mixed notes of all denominations together and shows number of notes individually for each denomination. It has a side display to make the counting readable for the person on the other side. Ensure the machine is properly connected to a power source and turned on. The product may have a unique or distinct appearance that sets it apart from other similar devices. This product has two display screens, which could allow for multitasking. The device likely emphasizes user-friendliness and ease of use. Familiarize yourself with the user manual and the various buttons and settings on the control panel. The machine's high-speed mechanism enables it to count up to 1,000 notes per minute, making it suitable for demanding tasks. In order to change the currency, press the currency button. In order to change the automatic mode to manual mode, press the manual button, then the machine will not feed the notes automatically. Place the notes on the hopper and then press the start button. Batch function. Press the batch button and then type the number in the number pad according to your need. Once the hopper is loaded with notes, the machine will start counting and will stop when the counted quantity reaches the preset batch quantity. To repeat the batch counting operation, just remove the counted notes from the stacker. Add function. The add indicator will be on after pressing the add button. In add mode, the machine will add up all the counted quantities every time when the notes is placed on the hopper. The total amount of added banknotes will be shown on the counter screen. Fake note detection, double note, chained note, half note detection is automatically turned on by default when the machine is powered up. As each note passes through the counter, it undergoes thorough verification using IR, UV, MG, and MT technologies to detect any counterfeits. By combining these four detection methods, the machine provides comprehensive counterfeit detection capabilities. It analyzes multiple aspects of the notes being counted and compares them to known authentic patterns and features. If a note fails any of these tests, the machine will alert the user, emitting a beeping sound, while the display will show the message alerting the presence of a suspicious note. Allowing them to separate and investigate the potentially counterfeit note. Please note that the suspicious money will be added to the counted quantity. Press start to resume counting. Counting function. Once the banknotes are correctly placed in the hopper plate, the machine will start counting automatically. The numbers of the counted banknotes will be shown on the counter display. If count again, the counter display will clear and the batch display in turn will show the number of last counted banknotes instead. Total value counting function. The total value function is selected or deselected by pressing the total button. Under the machine will recognize denomination automatically and the display will show total pieces and total value. Press start or voice button for a while to switch on and off the voice function. In case to know more of error information and troubleshooting, follow the user manual carefully. The Gobbler GB9988 is a versatile currency counter suitable for a range of environments, including banks, supermarkets, movie theaters, and retail location. Its advanced features and high-speed counting capability make it an ideal choice for handling large volumes of cash accurately and efficiently.